What's up, my beautiful people? So I am back at the land on this wonderful rising, and I am continuing my journey to bring my vision of heaven on earth into reality. I want to remind you guys that heaven is any place on earth. It's not a distant dream, but a mind rebirth. It lives in the silence, in the in-between, a mirror of love, a divine scene. All is mine and mine is so ours. Y'all go check out my song Heaven on Earth on my page. So today I plan on cutting down a few more small trees and clearing some bushes and burning some trash. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what this water do. Oh, it's real. And I still got these trees to chop up. I'm gonna chop these up with finish chopping these up with my chainsaw. All back here. All these need to be chopped up. Another one that's laying down that needs to be chopped up. I cut down this tree. And I want to cut down this tree too, but I don't know because it's a little bit bigger than this tree. Like I said, and it's taller, so it may get to stay, but I really want to take it out because I got a design in mind that I want to do for this area. See, all these little trees, I'm gonna cut them down. All back here, I'm gonna cut all these little trees because I can handle that with my chainsaw. But when they get too tall, I don't want to fool with them because I'm not a professional. So I'm just chopping down what I can handle with my chainsaw. And that's basically just a small, short tree. It's not that tall in the, in the air. But yeah, once I get my mini skid, I'm gonna go through and clear this so fast, you guys. And like I said, hopefully I'll be ready to purchase it by the end of this month. I am done for today, you guys. Again, now I chopped down fruit trees, burnt my trash, put them in some piles. Now when I come back, I'm gonna have to burn these because when I come back, I'll be planning on breaking this ground up and making it even. If anybody want a partnership with me to help me build this vision, partnerships are welcome. Anybody want to donate?